91% of successful cyber attacks start with a phishing email. That number tells us one thing: your biggest vulnerability isn't your firewall, it's human error. As Brian Lynch, CEO of Bakersfield Networks, puts it, most breaches happen because employees unknowingly make small mistakes, such as clicking on a harmful link or sharing sensitive information without verifying the source. Cyber awareness training is how you close that gap. It gives your team the tools to spot threats, respond fast, and avoid making costly mistakes. It covers everything from how to identify a phishing email to what to do when something feels off. Training also strengthens your business's overall security posture. Even the best security tools fail when people don't know how to use them correctly. With regular training, employees stay alert and take action before a threat becomes a problem. It helps you stay compliant too. Regulations like HIPAA and GDPR require ongoing security training, and falling behind can lead to fines or penalties. That's on top of the risk to your company's reputation. Done right, training builds confidence. It encourages better decisions and creates a stronger culture of accountability. If you're not sure where to start, look for a training program with interactive modules, tailored content, and support that keeps up with evolving threats. You can read the full article on Per website. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to add it to your playlist.